If you're hearing this right now, it's not by accident. Maybe God brought you here not just to protect your steps, but to remind you of something deeper. That you're not weak, you're wise. That your strength was never lost, only waiting to be remembered. So take a breath, open your heart, and stay with me, because what you're about to hear could change the way you move through this life, not just with your feet, but with your spirit. Have you ever thought how one simple moment, one ordinary step could change the rest of your life? For millions of older adults, that moment comes without warning. 1 second you're walking to the bathroom in the middle of the night. The next, you're on the floor, in pain, alone, confused. And in that split second, everything shifts. Your confidence, your freedom, your future. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? There are 8 small walking secrets that most people don't know. But those who do, they move through life with strength, safety, and peace. So if you're over 60 or love someone who is, this video could change everything. Stay with me till the end, because these tips are simple, powerful, and may be the reason you never have to fall again. And before we begin, please tap the like button if you believe aging should feel strong, not scary. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell, because your journey toward a more confident life is just beginning. Let's start with something unexpected. Most falls don't happen because people are clumsy. They happen because people forget how to walk. Yes, even something as basic as walking can quietly shift as we age. Your steps get shorter, your eyes stare at the ground, your arms freeze, your center of gravity drifts off balance. It doesn't happen all at once, it happens quietly, gradually. But the good news is, what was lost can be remembered. These 8 habits can help you take back your confidence one step at a time. Walk and trick 1. Where your eyes go, your balance follows. Most older adults walk with their eyes down, watching their feet or scanning for cracks. It seems smart, but it's actually dangerous, because when your head tilts forward, your shoulders round, your back curves, and your balance shifts in the wrong direction. You're more likely to miss something, trip or freeze in place. Instead, lift your gaze, keep your eyes about 10 to 15 feet ahead. Your head should feel like it's being gently pulled upward, like a string of light from the sky is holding your chin. This one change realigns your spine, activates your core, and sharpens your awareness. If this simple tip surprised you, type eyes up in the comments below. Let's spread the wisdom that could protect someone else's life too. Walking trick 2, let your arms dance again. Do you remember how you walked as a child? Arms swinging freely, balanced and joyful. As we get older, especially after a fall, we stop moving our arms. Fear stiffens us. One arm holds a cane, the other clenches for control. But this actually removes your body's natural counterweight. Let your arms move with your steps. When your right foot goes forward, let your left arm swing gently ahead. Not forcefully, just rhythmically. It tells your brain, I am stable. It gives your spine a message. We are in motion and we are safe. Comment, I swing strong, if you're ready to bring flow back to your walk. And if you're using a cane, swing the opposite arm freely. One free arm is still better than none. Walking trick, head, toe, the forgotten dance of the feet. Seniors shuffle or slap their feet. Some even land toe first. And when you do that, you lose all shock absorption. Your knees suffer, your hips ache, you trip easier. But there's a better way. Start each step with your heel gently kissing the ground. Then roll through the middle of your foot and push off with your toes. That's heel to the walking, and it reactivates muscles that have been asleep for years. You'll feel your calves again, your thighs, even your glutes. It's not about walking prettier, It's about walking with purpose. Walking trick 4, take smaller steps to gain more control. When we were younger, we took long strides without thinking. But as we age, big steps become risky. Why? Because the farther you step out, the more your weight shifts behind you. That means your balance is off, your knees overwork, and you're slower to catch yourself if something goes wrong. Smaller steps, steady, centered. Keep your body balanced. Your reactions stay quicker. Your feet stay under your weight, not far out ahead of it. Try this today. Walk your normal way for 10 seconds and count your steps. Then try again with shorter steps. If your step count goes up, that's a good sign. You're walking safer, not slower. If this one tip alone feels doable, drop small steps, big strength in the comments below. Walking trick 5. Activate your core, even without exercise. You don't need a gym membership to build balance. Your core, the muscles in your stomach, hips, and back are your walking foundation. When it's weak, everything else suffers. Start with this. Stand near a counter. Gently lift one foot a few inches off the floor. Hold for 5 seconds. Switch sides. Do this twice a day, or while brushing your teeth, gently tighten your belly, like you're pulling your belly button toward your spine. You'll be amazed how your body starts responding. Your body listens. Now, when you remind it what strength feels like, walking trick 6, name the floor beneath you. Transitions between tile and carpet or shiny wood and a rug can quietly trip your brain. Why? Because the feel, color, even temperature of the surface changes. And our aging eyes and nervous system take longer to adapt. Try this powerful habit. Silently name the surface before you step on it. Carpet, tile, step up. It sounds silly, but it brings your brain into focus. It helps your body anticipate, and it gives you one more moment of control when it matters most. If you've ever slipped on a shiny floor, comment, aware steps, let's help others become more mindful before a fall reminds them the hard way. Walking trick 7, don't let your cane walk ahead of you. A cane or walker should not drag in front of you. It should stay close, like a steady companion, not a leash pulling you. Keep it tight to your center. Use it to complete your rhythm, not interrupt it. Think of it as part of your flow, not a crutch for fear. When used correctly, walking aids are not signs of weakness. They're tools of wisdom. It's not about needing help. It's about choosing support. Walking trick 8. Walk with presence, not with fear. This might be the most important one. Walking isn't just about movement. It's about awareness. Don't let your mind race ahead of your steps. Don't walk lost in thought. Be here. Feel your breath. Sense your body. Hear your feet connect with the earth. Walking becomes dangerous when we disconnect. But when you move with presence, you move with power. Your body responds. Your spirit aligns. And even in aging, you reclaim the rhythm of life. You don't need to walk like you're fragile. You're not. You're adapting. You're growing wiser. You're learning how to move with grace again. These 8 habits aren't hard. They're just forgotten truths. And every time you walk with intention, you'll take your power back. So tell me in the comments, which of these walking tricks will you try today? And if you know someone who needs this message, please share it. Like this video if it gave you something real, and subscribe to this channel because we are building a space where aging feels strong, spiritual, and deeply human. You are not here by accident. Maybe God brought you here today, not just to walk safer, but to walk wiser, with courage, with presence, and with the quiet strength that says, I am still becoming. Take good care, you are not alone, and we'll walk this path together, one strong step at a time.